A nation, an institution, a colossus, deep imagination. I am a resource, forged under the auspices of force. This makes me a force, forged for change on the planet. I am colorful, beautiful and powerful. I have the will to cause change. You have the will to help me cause change. I am untapped, sapped and my future mapped. But I know myself and I know my situation better than anyone else. I am a catalyst, yet you say I am the least. I see through the mist, yet upon me you feast. You claim to do things for me, but completely leave me out of the picture. You talk at me and not talk to me. I have an unusual bind, and I am stronger when I connect with my kind. I have a higher purpose. When I win, the world wins. If you do for me what I can't do for myself, I will do for you what you can't do for yourself. I know I can. Please show me I can. Stop loitering on the world's pavements and help me magnify this movement. I am not a sector. I am not a statistic. I am not a question. I am not a woman. I am a heartbeat. I am a pulse. I am a girl. And I am the future.